Hi Spooky Girls fam, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to my first very big fashion video. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 outfits that you can wear for back to school this year. They're all kind of kawaii goth, pastel goth, and spooky cute. You're going to love the vibes, and even if you're not going back to school, you can get some spooky cute outfit inspiration. So without further ado, let's get into my very first fashion video. I'm so freaking excited. For this first look, I took a lot of inspo from how Still the Spotlight here on YouTube styles their outfits. They love vests, and I have been watching their channel since the beginning of my alt fashion journey, and I just was like, I have a vest. Let's put a Hello Ghosty spin on that. So we have the vest, we have the fall colors. I really want to do the Halloween spin on it since this is a Halloween core spooky cute type of video. It had to scream ghosty. I have these cute little pumpkin bows that are actually from a headband that broke. See, make the most of what you have. I love it, and I love that I'm paying homage to one of my favorite YouTubers here on the platform. What's cool about most of these looks is mostly everything in my wardrobe except for a few pieces are thrifted. This vest was thrifted, this little lace top and the white shirt underneath it, and the pants. Like the entire outfit is majority from thrift stores. See, you can find some really unique thrift pieces and really spice up your outfits. And what's cool about these pants is up close they have this really cool gothic motif kind of design, and I am loving it. It definitely adds more of the goth vibes into the look. So this is today's look. I went for a more creepy cute, spooky cute little doll. I have this cute little bow on. Get closer. The elegant vibes of the blue with the blue. This jacket has some pins I just have on it. They're kind of dangly because they're not really on there very well, but isn't this cute? I love it. This is like perfect cartoon goth school anime attire. Like, I imagine if there was like a spooky cute anime and they were all witches and they went to a school and maybe the girls had different outfits, this is one of the things they would wear, or my character would wear at least. Woohoo! I'm loving this new setup as well. I was like, is it gonna feel weird if I like move a YouTube setup in the middle of filming a video? And I was like, stop right there. You don't need to overthink it. And now that I'm here filming right here, oh my gosh, this feels like a dream come true. It's awesome. As I said, I'm really loving the doll vibes for this look. This choker is from Hot Topic, and the dress is also from Hot Topic. And the cute little Jack Skellington bow is also from Hot Topic. Absolutely love the silhouette this dress gives off. Again, very creepy cute goth doll vibes. And then for the finishing touch on this look, as I said, I feel like I'm going to a witch school, so I added these really cute little witchy booties. This is the look today. We went for extra Beetlejuice vibes because it is showtime. It's officially the start of spooky season. Yes, I'm filming this on September 2nd, and us true Halloween lovers know spooky season officially starts in September. So I have this really cute Beetlejuice graphic top. This is from Hot Topic. This is an old Halloween accessory that used to be stockings that I cut up and distressed to just be this really cool glove. I only have one of them, but the one glove thing is actually kind of a vibe. We have this really cute bow. This is from Walmart. They have these out now, so don't forget to run to Walmart after this video. And for the makeup, could probably get a better shot of it in a second, but we went for super Beetlejuice theme. wings with the purple and the green.
I said I went for extra Beetlejuicy vibes with the makeup. One of my favorite things to do is do makeup and an outfit around the theme, and Beetlejuice is one of my favorite things to theme things around. We have this big, cute Beetlejuice shirt. This is from Hot Topic. I love how just in your face it's Beetlejuice. He's saying it's showtime and it says Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice all over the front. Goes perfectly with our spider web bow. And then to add some extra Halloween vibes, I added these leggings that have witches and bats on them. Just a small spooky detail.
Today's look is for all of my color-loving cuties out there. We went for a pink and purple look, and today I'm actually super proud of myself for pulling myself together. Today I had an unnecessary, well, it wasn't unnecessary, a travel response on live TikTok because of haters, and the amount of cyberbullying I was getting ended up overwhelming me and triggering my own CPTSD issues. So today's look I would actually count as an accomplishment because we didn't let that bring us down, even though we had a crying breakdown on live. We didn't let that ruin our day and stop us from doing what we love, which is creating here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We love to be a creator, and it's our dream, and it's what makes us happiest. So today I conquered the haters and I continue to follow my dreams and didn't let that stop me. So today's outfit is an accomplishment. It is an accomplishment, and we're gonna have a good rest of the day. I'm loving the vibes. We have kind of some magical whimsy vibes going on with this look.
Before anybody comes for me in the comments, yes, I'm aware my lipstick is smeared. I didn't notice this till after I was done filming. Those lights are so dang bright, but I didn't feel like refilming this because, as I said, today's look was an accomplishment, and it took all my might and will just to pull it together and finish filming and taking pics for today. So here it is.
I hope you spooky ghosts enjoyed my first fashion video. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite outfit was. And I want to leave this video off with a message. School is hard. I got bullied a lot in school, and I know a lot of the people that get bullied are the weirdos, the misfits. And I just want to let you know you're beautiful, you're amazing. Don't let the bullies get you down and ruin your school year. And I hope you stay strong, lovelies. I hope you stay furious. And until next time, don't forget, stay spooky.